We 3 generations of family have walked only a path to agricultural machinery. Youngshin Farm Machinery developed and produced double and single barrel thresher suitable for our farming and supplied them to farms across the country. So Youngshin is trusted as a specializing in threshing machines. Patented technology, long-standing know-how, and sincerity that values farmers. Youngshin Farm Machinery has grown by receiving the heart back to the customer's faith, and we will always be with the customers as a more convenient and efficient farming machine.